Good morning. This is Bill Feaver, and today is day 22 of the 30-day content challenge. And the prompt for today is to tell a little bit about what I do in the morning, my routine, and how I get going. Basically, I get up pretty early. I get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, 4:30, and I go in and clean up, get my shower, and shave and get ready for work. I'm still working. I teach school. I teach at a juvenile hall, and so I like to be focused on getting ready for my class every morning. So I sit down and I usually have a devotional. I read my Bible, and I have a devotion that I usually go through it takes me about 5-10 minutes. And then I journal for about another 10 minutes. And then I go and eat breakfast and get to school. When I get to school, I go in and open my room, get situated, and then I go out and walk. And sometimes I listen to podcasts when I walk, and sometimes I just walk and think. And so that's my routine, to get my mind right and to ponder things that are bothering me and to focus on those kinds of things. Since I've joined the Home Business Academy, I tend to look at my relationship with what I'm working on in that area too, and think about that and focus on some of those things too. But basically, that's all I do. I do it every day. I pretty much do a lot of walking. When you walk, you have a lot of time to think, to analyze what's going on in your mind, and just to let it kind of chew it like a cow chews its cud, to just think over and think about how things might go better, or how you can change things to be better. Sometimes you get inspirations through this time too, and try and make note of those things when it hits me with something that's kind of cool. So that's my routine. I'm a creature of habit, so I like to do about the same thing every day. So anyway, I wish you a good day, and also I would like it if you would like my video. And look down below. I have a ebook called the 30-minute Workday Escape Plan that's there for you if you would like to look at it. It's an amazing book. It's what got me started in affiliate marketing. So thank you so much, and you all have a good day.